THIRIKARI gugurukira rwani rwayo romanto jege kinyo chunkoni ni Kenya Institute for Public Policy Research and Analysis niambirite kugwatanira na ARITWA University KENDA kurikithia Mûbango jwayo jwa bottom up niretete ARITWA kumantere cha skuru mwanya na kuba mataro na moritani KENDA kurikithia gwataniro ije mukirimitheka na report
Mabisaba kipra ibaretete ARITWA kuma cukuru tia Mauritania kiobundi note amwe na University sa Meru kendo baritana metaratara kubwithia mawatho na mendekithia yoriti ngwebwa thirikari kinyamba e cukuru kiatho kibwitheretwe cukuru Meru University.
We also believe that not only the staff of the universities, but also the students can also make a significant contribution to the development process. And that is why we have this mentorship program with the students, so that the students start getting involved in public policy making processes while they are still students, so that when they graduate from the universities, they can be even much more effective in their contribution.
Kuringana na Professor Benson Ateo roimukaririete ombundi ekipra Mûbango ya bottom up ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza runguro tongeria bo Rais Daktari William Ruto iyo kwenda inyati antu bondeireti amwe muno antu babethe na ARITWA bacukuru cia muthomo ya Eurobombo tetheria nene kiri kinyanithia Mûbango yu.
For a long time, universities have been considered as ivory towers, and we want to move away from that perception to prove to the common person that universities are important institutions that also add value to the development process of our government. That is one reason why we have this memorandum of understanding between KIPRA and Meru University. We believe that the universities can also contribute to the work that KIPRA is doing.
Professor Eustace Mwendo Meru University awete Mauritania ya tetheria nene kiri ukuria mugongo yu antu baumba kumenya no tetheria thirikari ukinyanithia mibango yayo.
We have research and community service. This one marries very well what KIPRA is doing, particularly on research as well as community service, so that we are able to have our students, our staff being mentored in the issues that KIPRA is addressing, and we are very happy to see as a nation that the government through KIPRA and the other agencies are working together with the universities, with the technical vocational training institutes, so that we can raise up a generation that is going not only to focus on them as individuals, but on national values, on governance, and we believe that by doing this, we are going to raise a generation that is going to be very impactful in our nation building, as well as development in our world as such.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Beta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.